How to enable two-factor authentication on your X account. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the X app. It was formerly known as Twitter too. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to enable the two-factor authentication on your account, you need to go to the account settings. Here in this home screen, at the top left corner, you can see your account's icon. Tap on it. Next up, select the settings and support option over here. Again, tap on the settings and privacy option. Once you're in your settings page, in the second option, you can see the security and account access. Tap on it. Again, select the security option in the top. In this security page, you can see this two-factor authentication in the top. If you tap it over here, you will be prompted to change your two-factor authentication details. Here you will find 3 different options, whether you can select the text message, your authentication app, or the security key options. So you have 3 options to enable the two-factor authentication on your account. Currently, all the 3 options are disabled. If you want to enable any of these options, you just simply need to tap on this toggle icon, select Got It. You need to enter your password of your account. After you provide your password of your account, you can tap on this confirm button. And that's how you can easily enable the two-factor authentication on your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.